This is George Senda. There's breaking news out there. The famous Notre Dame Cathedral, or Notre Dame, I've never known how to pronounce it, in Paris is on fire. They had construction work going on, and one of the spires has collapsed. According to one report, the firemen could not get to the fire for the first half an hour, and it is still burning, apparently unchecked. This is in the rear of the cathedral. Now, one of the first movies I saw as a child, the silent movie of The Hunchback of Notre Dame with Charles Laughton. So even though that wasn't done at the actual cathedral, it was done on a set, it's still important. Historically, this is a very historic cathedral, and I hope it does not completely get engulfed in flames, but the Paris Fire Department can't seem to do much. It was probably full of construction material and all that. They were doing a $6 billion franc, I think, renovation of that section of the cathedral, and it's up in smoke this morning. All right, I will post the videos as links when this video publishes. Their CBS News has a live link, NBC has a live link, ABC has a live link, and The Guardian UK has some footage, very brief footage taken from a cell phone that you don't see on the other three channels. But they're all watching this, and if this were the cathedral, well, this top is the spire, it's gone. So, and it's burning like a Roman candle, and smoke all over Paris. So this is not terrorism, but somehow this fire started. And we will do the usual investigations and blame and all that stuff. All right, this is George Senda. Have a good morning. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool out there, as the case may be, and stay safe. Bye-bye for now.